Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix NET Framework 3.5 stuck on downloading. So how can you fix that? First of all, go to search section and search here services, and once the services open up, so make sure to open the Windows Update section. So let me just drag it and just search Windows Update, and that will take you to, just make sure to find the Windows Update, and that is here. As you can see, Windows Update. So just double click on it. As you can see, startup type is currently manual, so make sure to click on disable, apply, and OK. Once this is disabled, just close it, and after that just go inside this option, which is a local disk C. Open Windows, and inside the Windows you just need to scroll down, and once you scroll down, you will find this option called software distribution. Just click on software distribution, and inside software distribution, go into downloads. And once you're inside the downloads, just select all these files and just delete them. Once you delete them, after that, just restart your like PC or laptop, and hopefully your problem will be solved. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can fix that.